Another big one that came in was the custom totals
Yeah.
for tables and matrices, right? So that's a big one. I wanted to show that off a little bit here. So here we have, well, here, and if I wanted to, so here's my profit. It's obviously summing just fine, but maybe I want to show like my average here. So I can do an average, and it brings it in as an average for my total. It's a little bit small. Let me make it a smidgen bigger. Sorry. I should have done zoom it, but I didn't quite get that far. Right, so here you can see. Now what's interesting about this is you notice I lost my formatting. We are making a change soon to bring in the formatting from like a measure as well. That's coming. We realize that's not happening. Right now you can go, there's this new kind of data format in the general. So it happens on any visual. Where you can kind of come in and pick anything in the visual. For now you see that there's a hidden profit base, which is the one before. And then you can specify kind of any format. Okay, so then format, and then I can say currency, right? And now I can get it back to kind of where I had it before, right? So
custom total is quite, I think, well expected by everyone, that we want to have like some of these values, things like that. So this is quite useful. But what is happening behind the scene? Do you have like a DAX iterator function behind the scene doing that calculation and showing it?
Yeah. So this is a visual calc, right? So it is 100% a visual calc. And what we did is, hold on, sorry, let me just go back. And I'm going to go back here. And then if I come here and I say edit this calculation, right? So this button here in the thing, you'll see we have the visual calc, right? So this is the visual calc that we have here. And you can see the base column is just hidden. And you can see that it has that kind of hidden icon. Now, if I wanted to bring back, like, okay, you're like, cool, I was just trying it out. How do I get it back? You can go back to the report, and then in here, you can right click and you say, edit this one, customize the total calculation, and you have this reset to default down here. So you can return it, and then it'll undo what it did. So it's bring back your other one. So you don't have to like, oh, I have to delete this thing and bring the other one back.
That is quite a smart way of using visual calc in this context. Nice.
Anyway, so that is custom totals, and that works, by the way, on matrices too. It's not just for tables. And it'll do the subtotals and all that kind of stuff. Perfect. So it gives you some flexibility, especially if you don't have access to the model, you just have access to the report.